So I see this window of opportunity closing really quickly for you guys. And our members know all about this because they've been following our analysis and we haven't been sharing this to YouTube. But we've been deep diving into how are we going to make the most money in this cycle. And there's a principle you guys need to understand because you probably clicked on this because you want to make a decent amount of money. You have different phases. You have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, and then you have the altcoin moves. And if you can understand visually what this looks like, you can then time different market cycles, which I'm going to show you guys kind of how to do this today. What happens is you have something that goes like this, where you have a cycle of Bitcoin, you have a cycle of Ethereum, and then you have the cycle of altcoins. Now, there's two different X and Y axes to this. You have the duration of time, where what happens first, second, and third, and then what kind of profits can you expect from these different sectors in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is going to move first. This is usually what we see in the market. Secondly, you're going to see Ethereum, which is the parent of altcoins, and then you're going to see altcoins move last. Now, to place another layer on top of this, what you guys need to know is not only do altcoins outperform Ethereum and Bitcoin, but if you guys are looking to make the most US dollars, so USD, in this upcoming market, you need to time two things. You need to time the alt season as perfect as possible so you can get in at low points before the market moves up. That's point number one. Point number two is you need to know what to be in. And altcoins have historically outperformed Ethereum, and Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin in every single cycle. So here's what we've been noticing. I'm going to pop up in our member-only chat here, and I want to show you guys this. Just yesterday, I ended up showing this to you guys. We saw Bitcoin crashing quite a bit, but what we saw was altcoins doing quite well in the market. And we are starting to see this happen over here, where we are getting this decoupling. Yesterday when Bitcoin was down 5.5, I don't know if I can draw this out here, I guess not. Anyways, 5.5%. This is what we were down yesterday in Bitcoin. During this time, we had Render up 6.03, Ocean was up 5.5, we had FET up 8.59, and Injective up 10.26, Avi up 6.17, and actually we had some of these close the day at 20% profit. Okay, what is happening right now is you are seeing a decoupling of altcoins to Bitcoin because, like I've been teaching you guys in the membership, I truly do believe you are having a last grab opportunity right now to get into altcoins before the parabolic cycle takes place in your altcoins. Now, I want you guys, if you have time today, please do yourself a favor. Watch the future forecast I did this morning, because it'll show you guys why we ended up getting the drop in Bitcoin. And I will specifically show you, guys, look, we have the charts to time the alt season. They're so accurate. We just put in $20,000. I just bought $20,000 more of altcoins because of this data. And we are all in profit as of right now, recording this video, on all those entries. Now, I'm sharing this after the fact because all of our members got the best entries. We do that on purpose to honor our members. But get a membership at tradeconfident.io. It is $65 a month. Guys, just pay it. I don't care if you cancel next month. Watch the future forecast I did today and then one I did on the 21st. This will show you guys exactly the data you need to watch to make the most money in cryptocurrency. Because the point is that if you can time this market correctly and understand the different cycles, we are about to come into what I believe is one of the greatest altcoin seasons we've ever seen. Now, take a look at this. Price for small money flow. Jake has covered this, but I want to reiterate this. Trades in favor is down at an 87% chance of a pump. We are coming down to multiple support levels in the market where I do think we're going to see a bounce. I will leave this as member-only content, but in the future forecast, I did show you guys how we ended up filling the gap on the ETFs, and there is another gap we could go down to, but as predicted, I had a feeling we're going to bounce from there, and that's exactly what's happening this morning. We also are going to take a look at liquidity, tell you and show you exactly where the buy limits, as well as sell limits are sitting for institutions, and I'll show that to you guys so you can make some good trading decisions. Guys, once you understand, and I'll end this here, once you understand how to time these markets and you stop spending all your time looking at the candles and you look behind the charts of everything that's actually moving these markets, which is going to be economic events. It's going to mainly depend on dominance, Bitcoin dominance going down, ushering in your altcoin seasons. Once you look at these different charts, others.d, total 2, market cap, you start understanding, and it paints a perfect picture that literally this is what you can do. You go like this and you draw a line and you say, all right, every time this metric has come down to this point, we have seen massive injections of money flowing into the altcoin market. And I'm going to show you guys exactly where we're at today. Watch this future forecast. And I think you guys will be massively blessed by the data that we show because it is actionable data you can take. Look, if you guys want to continue the membership, we call trade setups out. We have the highest win rate ever recorded on YouTube, 201 wins, 0 losses, truly. You guys can look at our trade setups over here under the view performance record. And we also have indicators that you guys can purchase if you would like to copy all these trades underneath the indicators section here. Guys, in the description, watch the future forecast. I will teach you how to make the most money in this market. And our account is currently up $245,000 in profit. And we are doing very well. And all the money we put into the altcoins, we are in profit at this moment. Guys, watch the future forecast on the website. I love you. Enjoy Jake's videos. And I'll leave a description link for the membership. It's going to say start membership. Start that. Watch all of these future forecasts. And I will see you guys on the next future forecast, which is going to be this Friday with an update of how to make the most money in cryptocurrency. God bless you guys.